Hello guys, back again with another video. So now I'm going to be showing you how we can install Active Directory in our Windows Server 2025. Now I installed Windows Server 2025 in my VirtualBox, and in case you didn't watch that video, you can check the link in the description. You'll be able to also see that, and in case you don't know how to install it. Now, before we install our Active Directory, we need to go on and we rename our PC. So I'm going to go on and tap on my Windows Start button, and I'm going to go on and say rename PC, and I'm going to call this one Greenet. So when I go on and tap on this, or you can tap on open, we need to provide a name to our PC. In case we are successful, they'll go on and ask us to reboot the server. So I'm going to go on and tap or rename this PC, and I'm going to come and give it a name. So I'm going to just call this Greenet DC for my domain controller. So if I tap next, and they'll ask me to restart my machine, or I can restart later. So it will be better if I do restart now. So I'm going to do restart now. Now I will come back when my machine has finished to restart. Now after restarting my PC, we are back to our server. So I want you to go on and open up your server manager. It will be opened up automatically, or you can just tap on your Windows Start button and tap on Server Manager, but I do have it down here. On our Server Manager, we need to go on and install now our Active Directory. Now to install our Active Directory, I want you to come to Manage on our right. So if we tap on it, you see that we do have Add Rows and Features. So I'm going to go on and tap on this. Now we see that here they say that the server is collecting our inventory data. All we can do is to wait, because when you try to see here, we have a blue line that is moving. So we can just give it a few minutes in case it is done, and I think, yeah, it is still loading. So we can just give it a few minutes and we can come back here to our manage. Then we shall be able to proceed with our rows and features. Now our blue line that was loading, it is done. Now we can come back here to manage, tap on add rows and features. Now we receive this pop-up. Now you are going to go on and tap next. Now here make sure that you are on role based, which is just a default. You are going to tap next. Now here you see that we have our name that we renamed our PC earlier, which is Greenet DC. And we do have our IP address. If we come back here to our virtual machine, we see that the server that we are installing or we are working on currently, it uses NAT network, whereby that is the IP address we are seeing here. We can also connect this to another network, but firstly, let's just go with this. So I'm going to go on and tap next. Now, if we come here to our server rows, we have Active Directory Certificate Services, and the second one is Active Directory Domain Services, short form, which is ADDS. So I want you to go on and put a tick on this one. You are going to receive a pop-up, then say add features. You will see that they'll go on and put a tick on this one. So we are going to go on and tap next. Then on this one here, we are going to also tap next. Then they go on and give us more information about our ADDS. We are going to tap next, and again here for our confirmation we are going to tap on install. Now after tapping on install, you see up here we do have starting our installation, and we are going to have a blue line that's going to be moving from here to here. In case it is done, our installation is going to be successful, then we can go on and we proceed with other settings. So let me give it a few minutes. Our installation will be done successfully. Now, when you try to see here, our installation is successful, and I'm going to go on and tap on close. Now, after closing that, you see here at the bottom, we do have our ADDS installed. Now, we need to go on and promote this to our domain controller. Now, if you look at your right, we do have this flag icon with a triangle icon having an exclamation mark. So if we tap on that, you see that down here we have promote the server to a domain controller. So when I go on and tap on this, we are going to receive this pop-up. Now here we want to create a new Active Directory. So you are going to go on and tap on add new forest. So if we tap here, this is where you can go on and provide the name you want your Active Directory to have. So I'm going to give this one to have greenet.local. So after providing greenet.local, I'm going to go on and tap next. So after this one, we are going to be taken to another page, which is this one here. So this is where they go on and ask us to type in the password to our Active Directory. So we need to just wait for this to load. In case it is done, and it is done, this is where we can go on and write our password. So for the password that I'm going to be typing here, I'm going to use a capital P. Let me just remove this. I'm going to go on and use a capital P. We use a @ going to use $signs to $signs, word, and an exclamation mark. Again, it's going to be a capital P, a @ to $signs, word, and an exclamation mark. Then I'm going to tap next. Now, in case everything is okay, here we are not going to select anything. Here I do not have a DNS installed, and I'm going to tap next. So in case everything is set up, here we have our NetBIOS domain. We shall have Greenet, the one that we used in our domain the other side. So when you try to see here, we have Greenet. So I'm going to go on and also tap next. Now here we do have this location where our information is going to be stored. We do have our database folder, we do have the log files, and we also have this is file, and this is the path where the information will be stored. So I'm going to just tap next here, and I'm going to tap next again. Here it is done, and I'm going to tap install. So in case it is done, we are going to have our Active Directory installed on our Windows server. So let's just give it a few minutes for it to finalize with this. Now when you try to see our Active Directory has been created, and they are telling us that we are going to be signed out, so I'm going to tap on close. Our machine is going to restart, and the moment we come back, we need to just log in with the password that we created with our Active Directory. Now after my Windows server restarting, we can check the server. You see that we no longer have the triangle icon on this flag here, which means our PC has been promoted to our Active Directory, and when we try to see up here, it is still loading. So I want you to join me in another video as I'm showing you how we can create a user on a Windows server.